Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing some Foundation GCSE papers to prepare for this year's exams, and we're going to look at Foundation Paper 3. It's a calculator paper, but I'm going to look at the first 5 questions where you don't actually need to use a calculator. So the first question says, can you work out 6,461 to the nearest hundred? So those are the hundreds. So we look at the tens and we see that 6 is bigger than 5. So we're going to round the hundreds up, 6,500. So that's rounded to the nearest hundred. It's closer to 6,500 than it is to 6,400. So that should give us 1 mark. Nice to try and do a mark per minute. Now work out 1/7 of 84. If you have a calculator, you could do 84 divided by 7. But again, just showing you don't always need to use a calculator in a calculator paper, especially at the start. Just go to your short division, or if you know your 7 times table, 7 goes into 8 once, remainder 1, 7 to 14 twice. So if you know your 7 times table, 7 times 12 is 84, you can check that. 7 times 10 is 70, plus the 14, so that's 12. Now we're going to work out 10% of 95. On your calculator, do 0.1 times 95. But 0.1 is the same as 1/10, or dividing by 10. So that's always the easiest way to do 10%. Divide the number by 10. 95 divided by 10, you move the decimal point, or correctly, you move the digits across the decimal point, and you get 9.5. So that's 9.5. So we should have three marks by now. 1, 2, 3. Now a more wordy problem. One night the temperature in Paris was -6 degrees. The temperature in Moscow was 4 degrees less than the temperature in Paris. So think about that on a number line. There's -6. 0's there. And these are all the positive numbers. And -6 take away 4. Moscow, that's Paris. Moscow is 4 degrees less. So we take away 4. We get to -10. So we should have -10 degrees there. Okay, now the 5th question, change 3.5 meters into centimeters. And hopefully remember that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So we times that by 100. If you've got a calculator, do 3.5 times 100. Or if you remember, each of those is 100 centimeters per meter. So it'll be 300 plus that half, 350. So there we go. That should have given us 5 marks in under 5 minutes. Save yourself time for later in the paper when the questions might get more challenging. So we've done some rounding, some fractions, some percentages of amounts, some number line work, and some measurements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and look out for more GCSE exam questions.